All right, we're back at IMTS 2018. Let's go back on the floor again and check out what's happening. All right, I'm here with Grob. We're stopped by to check out a project that we did with them. I'm here with Andy Krupp, who worked on the project in this machine.
So this is our G352 machine. So this is the second generation that we have for our universal machines. One of the nice things about our machine is our kinematic. Our tool length is not affecting our workpiece size, so this really allows our longest workpiece, our biggest workpiece rather, and still utilize our longest tool, and it doesn't affect each other. So also being able to machine stuff upside down, which really helps a lot with our chip evacuation, especially in the mold industry.
All right, let's take a look at the part itself.
So this is a B-pillar punch. This is just an example of one of the parts and things that you can utilize, especially with using the Mastercam software, using the Mugi tools with the forming tools, allowing you to use your cycles to have large step overs and still maintain good surface finishes on like even a mold part.
Another one of our partners, CAMplete, also worked on this project with Grob. So I've got Ivan with us from CAMplete, who's going to talk through a little bit about what they did for Grob.
So we worked on the B-pillar punch with Mastercam and Grob, and what we did is we posted and simulated the project. So we take the fixture, part, stock, tool, holder data, along with the NCI, and bring it into TruePath, post it out, and verify the program to make sure there's no collisions.
All right, thank you. I'll let you get back to work.
Thanks.
Dave Becker from Sugino is going to talk to us a little bit about what they're showing off at IMTS.
Well, the focus this year at the show is our small compact 5-axis machining center, which is behind us, and we're doing some net shape machining of a titanium blade.
And this is something that we're going to see more and more of moving forward, and that's we've got a base shape that was additive machined with titanium and then brought over to you guys to do the finish work on it, right?
Correct, yes. The original blade was printed by Renishaw. We had a lot of partners, including the folks from Mastercam, that were very helpful in getting a good shape and a good machine part for us.
Excellent. All right, well, I'm going to let you get back to work. Have a great rest of your show.
Right. Thank you.
I'm here with John Carpenter, president of WireFreeCNC, the makers of Accelerant. John, I know we have a lot of Mastercam users who are also using your software, so tell me a little bit about it and how it works with Mastercam.
For 30 years, we've been connecting the shop floor to the top floor. We have a software API that normalizes all of the protocols from an Ethernet level, and we also have interfaces to the older legacy machines that brings all that data into one compact device.
Excellent. Well, I know you're busy, so I'm going to let you get back to your customers. Have a good show.